My name is Dr. Amit Singhal. I'm a transplant hepatologist from UT Southwestern Medical Center, where I serve as the chief of hepatology and the medical director of our liver cancer clinic.
And I'm Ghassan Abou-Alfa from Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. It's a great delight to be here with my colleague, Dr. Singhal.
Thanks, Ghassan. Today, as you know, we'll be speaking about Module 4, Understanding Clinical Trials in Liver Cancer. So, Ghassan, do you want to start by explaining to our audience what is liver cancer clinical trials?
Thanks so much, Dr. Singhal. So, no doubt, a clinical trial is, it's a study, it's a research study in which patients, or in other words, people, volunteer to test a new drug or a treatment. This is before it's available to the public, of course, or approved by the appropriate regulatory agencies or authorities. And the clinical trials are here to help advance the research to find new ways to diagnose, treat, and prevent cancer, specifically here in that setting, liver cancer. The good news is, in regard to liver cancer specific, there's a lot going on in regard to clinical trials. And by all means, we can think of clinical trials that are looking into screening and at the same time therapy. And the therapy can be mostly either targeted therapy, looking for a specific target in the biology of the cancer per se. And number two, of course, the immunotherapy, which has been really a major improvement in regard to the care for the patient with liver cancer. And with that context, it's very important to volunteer for clinical trials. Other than, of course, we like to make sure that the patients are taken care of for themselves, but very important to look into the opportunities to really have more opportunities for themselves as well as other patients. Sadly, at the moment, only 7 among 100 patients with liver cancer join clinical trial in the United States. We really have to work harder on this, and that's why we strongly encourage for patients to know that the clinical trial mechanisms are very robust, very well planned and designed, and as such, they should have this open opportunity, but we encourage them always to have an open eye and objective assessment in regard to decision on going in a clinical trial, and hopefully we'll see more of our patients joining in.
Yeah, thanks, Ghassan. So I think that we all recognize that liver cancer clinical trials are quite important. Really one of the cornerstones of how we bring new therapies to market for our patients.